हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मन से मैथ। आज मैं डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ फुल इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ सर्कल। सो आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द सर्कल. व्हाट इज अ सर्कल? Circle is a closed curve which is obtained by joining all those points which are at the same distance from the fixed point. See, suppose this is the fixed point. Okay, so suppose one point, this point is moving in such a way that distance of all these points from this fixed point is same. Okay, so this is a fixed point. This is a fixed point. Suppose this point is moving in a plane such that its distance from this fixed point is same. So the closed curve obtained by joining all these points is said to be circle. Okay, this fixed point is said to be center of the circle. And what is a constant distance? That is said to be radius of circle. So I am going to write the definition. A circle is a closed curve which is obtained by joining all those points which are equidistant from a fixed point. Okay, circle is a closed curve which is obtained by joining all those points which are at the same distance from the fixed point. Okay, so the fixed point is said to be center of the circle, and that constant distance is said to be radius of the circle, and this boundary is said to be circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. In other figure, for the boundary we use the word perimeter, but in circle we use the word circumference. Okay, so the other things which we should know in the circle, suppose this is a circle. Okay, this is the center of the circle. Okay, so a line obtained by joining the two points on the circumference of the circle. Okay, सर्कल पे अगर कोई आप दो पॉइंट्स लेते हो, उन दोनों पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करके जो आपके पास एक लाइन सेगमेंट आता है, दैट इज सेड टू बी कोड. दिस इज सेड टू बी कोड ऑफ द सर्कल. ओके, सो इन अ सर्कल यू कैन ड्रॉ अ नंबर ऑफ कोड्स. In a circle you can draw a number of codes. See, so these two are also 2 points on the circumference of the circle. Chord is obtained by joining 2 points on the circumference of the circle. See, suppose this is point A, this is point B. These 2 points are also on the circumference of the circle. See, when I will join them, this line segment is passing through the center of the circle. Suppose center of the circle is C. Okay, 2 points on the circumference of the circle I have taken as AB. When I have joined these 2 points, that line segment is passing through the center of the circle. So this type of chord is said to be diameter of the circle. Diameter of circle. And you should know that diameter of the circle is the largest chord of the circle. It is largest chord of the circle. You can draw a number of chords over there, but the diameter, this diameter will be the largest chord of the circle. So there is a relationship between the radius and diameter. See, what is the radius? Distance from the center to any point on the circle. That distance is said to be radius. We usually denote the radius by small r. So from the center, okay, distance from the center to distance at any point on the circumference of the circle is r. Here C is the center, A is any point on the circumference of the circle. See, this will also be r. Okay, whatever the unit is, suppose centimeter. So this full is the diameter. This full is the diameter. AB is a diameter. Okay, so AB can be written as AC plus CB. AC is also R, CB is also R. And diameter in short form we can denote by D. Means diameter is 2 times of radius. Okay, or you can say that radius is half of the diameter. Okay, so till now we have discussed that how a circle is obtained. Okay, so that fixed point which we have used here, from a fixed point, this fixed point is center of the circle. Okay, so this distance is the radius of the circle and boundary is the circumference of the circle, and a chord is a line segment which we obtain by joining 2 points on the circumference of the circle. Okay, a chord which is passing through the center of the circle is said to be diameter, and diameter is 2 times of radius, or we can say that radius is half of the diameter. Okay, now see a different kinds of circle. Then concentric circle. Now we will discuss the definition of concentric circle. So what is the definition of concentric circle? Circles. 2 or more circles are said to be concentric circle if they have same center and a different radii. 2 or more circles are said to be concentric circles if they have same center but different radii. Radii is a plural form of radius. Radii is a plural form of radius. So suppose this is the center. Okay, by taking distance r1 you have drawn the first circle. By taking distance r2 you have drawn the second circle. By taking radius r3, see, suppose third circle is drawn. So all these circles are concentric circles because all of these 3 circles are having same center and different radii. All these circles, suppose this is circle 1, this is circle 2, this is circle 3. We will say that C1, circle 1, circle 2, circle 3 are concentric circles. Okay. The next is equal circles. The circle having same radii. Okay, circle having same radius are said to be equal circle. Okay, so this is the center of the circle. If you have taken radius 2 centimeter, another circle of radius 2 centimeter. We have drawn two circles of 2 centimeter radius. O A, suppose this is CB. So these two circles are equal circles. Okay. Now we will discuss the definition of circumscribed circle. Third one is circumscribed circle. Okay. Circumscribed circle, a circle which passes through each vertex of the polygon. Suppose this polygon is said to be a triangle which I have denoted by ABC. Okay. So if it is a triangle, means it will have three vertices A, B and C. And this circle, okay, this circle is touching each vertex of the circle. Triangle. So this circle is said to be circumscribed circle. Suppose this, here I have drawn a circle. So any quadrilateral I have drawn here, quadrilateral will have four vertices A, B, C, D. Okay. This circle touches each vertex of this quadrilateral. So this circle will also be said to be circumscribed circle. And the center of this circle is said to be circumcenter. Center of this kind of circle is said to be circumcenter. And the polygon which you have drawn inside that circle is said to be inscribed polygon. Inscribed polygon. Here we know the particular name of this polygon. This is triangle. Means the triangle ABC is said to be inscribed triangle. Similarly, this quadrilateral is inscribed quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is inscribed quadrilateral. Okay. So here we have discussed the definition of concentric circle. Concentric circle having same center and different radii, equal circles having same radius, circumscribed circle which passes through each point of the polygon, and center of this kind of circle is said to be circumcenter, and which polygon you have drawn inside the circle is said to be inscribed polygon. Okay. Now see the next. Next we will discuss inscribed circle. Here I have written inscribed polygon. Okay. Whatever the name, if you know that particular name, then you can write here. Now we will discuss a definition of inscribed circle. So what is inscribed circle? A circle which touches each side of the polygon. Suppose this is a circle, okay? The polygon is a triangle in this way. Okay, we know that triangle is having three sides, AB, BC, CA. So this circle is touching each side of the triangle. So this circle is said to be inscribed circle. Okay. A circle which is touching each side of the polygon, that circle is said to be inscribed circle. which you have drawn inside any polygon in a way that the circle is touching each side of that polygon. That kind of circle is said to be inscribed circle. See the next results. We will discuss some results related to the circle. See, suppose this is a circle. This is center of the circle. The definition of chord हमने पहले डिस्कस कर ली है. Okay, suppose AB and C I have let it be O. CD. अगर ये कोई दो chords हैं, okay, और दोनों chords का distance from the center if they are at the same distance from the center, okay, suppose here is O, this is of 2 centimeters, suppose this is also of 2 centimeters, here is a center, okay, then it will give that these two chords are equal. The chords which are equidistant from the center are equal. The chords which are equidistant means at the same distance, which are at the same distance from the center of the circle are equal. Means if it is given that, suppose here is E, here is D. If it is given that OE is equal to OD, means we can write that AB is equal to CD. Okay? So its converse is also true. Here we यहाँ पे हमने क्या डिस्कस किया है कि अगर दो कोड्स सेंटर से सेम डिस्टेंस पे हैं तो वो दोनों कोड्स इक्वल है. अब इसका उल्टा भी देखेंगे. Its converse is also true. अगर कोई सर्कल है उसकी दो कोड्स इक्वल है. If it is given that AB is equal to CD, suppose here is center O. This will implies that they will be at the same distance from the center. Okay, suppose here is E, here is F. Then it will imply that OE is equal to OF. If the chords are equal, that means those two chords are at the same distance from the center of the circle, and if the two chords are at the same distance from the center of the circle, then those two chords will be same. Okay, one is a reciprocal of other. If distance is same, distance from the center is same, that this will implies that chords are same. If the chords are same, this will imply that the distance of these chords from the center of the circle is same. Keep these. Okay. Okay. If chords are equal, chords are same, then their distance from center will be same. Okay. If the distances are equal, then this will imply that chords are also equal. This is very important result. When we will solve the sums of the circle, we will use these two conditions a number of times. जब हमने इसके सम्स सॉल्व करने सर्कल से रिलेटेड, तो ये कंडीशन बहुत बार यूज होती है. ये कंडीशन बहुत हेल्पफुल होती है सर्कल के रिलेटेड सम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So one more result that is very important. Suppose this is a circle, this is the center of the circle, this is any chord AB. ये भी रिजल्ट बहुत यूज होता है सर्कल के रिलेटेड सम सॉल्व करने के लिए, स्पेशली सर्कल चैप्टर जो 10th स्टैंडर्ड में, ठीक है। ये दोनों रिजल्ट जो इससे पहले करवाया और ये वाला। ओके, सपोज ये सेंटर है, AB इज द chord ऑफ द सर्कल। ओके, अगर सेंटर से आपने एक लाइन ड्रॉ की है, ओके, CM, ओके, a straight line is drawn from the center of the circle on the chord. If that line is bisecting the chord, means अगर वो लाइन पूरी chord को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देती है, तो what would happen? तो जहाँ पे वो स्ट्रेट लाइन कोड को मिलती है वहां पे 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनेगा। ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू राइट दिस इन सेंटेंस। इफ अ स्ट्रेट लाइन drawn from center of the circle on any chord, keep in mind, not other than diameter, other than diameter means वो chord diameter नहीं होनी चाहिए जिस chord पे आप draw कर रहे हैं। ओके, other than diameter, if a straight line drawn from the center of the circle on any chord is bisecting the chord, then this will imply that then it will meet that chord at 90 degree. You can say it will meet the chord perpendicularly. Okay, it will meet the chord perpendicularly or it will make an angle of 90 degree on the chord. Okay, CM straight line है जो हमने सेंटर से chord पे ड्रॉ की है, chord AB। CM is a straight line which we have drawn from the center of the circle on the chord. अगर ये करकर ये हम देखा कि AM, if it is given that AM is equal to BM, मीन्स इस कोड में पूरे लाइन सेगमेंट को 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया, तो हमारे पास क्या रिजल्ट होगा कि ये दोनों एंगल AMC and BMC both will be of 90 degree. Okay, I hope this concept is clear to you. No, similarly, as we have done in the previous result, its converse is also true. इसका उल्टा भी करेंगे, इसका उल्टा भी होल्ड होगा। उल्टा कैसे? अगर ये एक सर्कल है, this is the center of the circle, this is the chord of the circle. If it is given that straight line drawn from the center of the circle on the chord is perpendicular, if straight line drawn from the center of the circle, okay, is perpendicular to any chord other than the diameter, if it is given that it is of 90 degree, means that line will bisect the chord. Means if it is given that CM is perpendicular to AB, CM is straight line from center of the circle, AB is chord. If it is given, okay, then we can say that AM is equal to MB. Okay, if स्ट्रेट लाइन, अगर कोई स्ट्रेट लाइन जो आपने सेंटर से ड्रॉ की है वो कोड पे 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाती है, और आप कह सकते हो अगर स्ट्रेट लाइन जो आपने सेंटर से ड्रॉ की है वो कोड के एनी कोड अदर देन डायमीटर उसके परपेंडिकुलर है, मींस वो लाइन कोड को बाइसेक्ट करेगी, मींस वो लाइन कोड को 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेगी। ये इसका एक दूसरे के कन्वर्स है, उल्टा है। अगर बाइसेक्ट हो रही है, 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो रही है, मींस यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनता है। अगर दिया कि यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनता है तो मींस इस लाइन ने पूरी कोड को 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया। ओके, सो for 10th standard students to do the chapter related to circle, this much information is sufficient. Okay, so I would like to recapitulate it. अभी तक हमने क्या डिस्कस किया है वो एक बार थोड़ा देख लेते हैं ब्रीफ में। ओके, द वेरी फर्स्ट रिवाइज कि आपको ये सारा मैं पॉइंट लिखने जा रही हूँ, आप माइंड में रिवाइज करना कि ये सारे कंसेप्ट आपको क्लियर हो गए। द वेरी फर्स्ट मैंने डेफिनेशन लिखी थी सर्कल की, इज इट क्लियर टू यू? ओके, देन उसके बाद लार्जेस्ट कोड के बारे में बात की, वो आपको पता होना चाहिए लार्जेस्ट कोड क्या है। ओके, उसके बाद हमने कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल किसे कहते हैं, और सर्कमसेंटर किसे कहते हैं? सर्कमसेंटर क्या होता है, और इंस्क्राइब्ड सर्कल, circumscribed सर्कल, ओके, एक रिलेशन किया हमने वो कोड्स, 2 कोड्स और उनके डिस्टेंसेस फ्रॉम द सेंटर, ओके, 2 कोड्स एंड देयर distances from center of circle. ओके, ये रिजल्ट पूरा रिवाइज करके देखो कि ये क्लियर है दोनों तरह से। 2 रिजल्ट का है ना, कन्वर्स भी का, एक डायरेक्ट एक कन्वर्स, दोनों तरह होल्ड होता है। लास्ट में हमने क्या किया, सो कोड एंड 1 कोड एंड इट्स परपेंडिकुलर लाइन, इन दोनों का रिलेशन हमने किया डिस्कस। सो आई होप जितना मैंने आज डिस्कस किया इट इज़ क्लियर टू यू। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो।